today's subject is the lip gloss, sugar lip gloss. We do have the glossy one, which is transparent. We have a different type. It has a little shine and glitter in it. And different colors, different nice shades. The candy from the candy collection. It smells and tastes like a candy as well. And we do have like the nude colors, like peach me. It's nude towards peach. And also angel color. Also it's nude, and plus the very nice pink shades, and as well as the shiny one, which is really beautiful. We can see many shades in one color. Also the last but not the least, the cherry also is like it's a metallic gloss. Metallic gloss. It has different type of shades in one.